Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to make column scatter plot by using GraphPad Prism. In Excel file where you can see that here is a data which is taken from an experiment where control and treat groups is recorded. Value of control and treat groups is recorded. Its first replicate and its second replicates. First of all, I will export data from Excel to GraphPad Prism. In previous video, I have already told you how to export data from Excel to GraphPad Prism. I will provide link on screen. So let's fun with graphs. Hey, guys, here you can see that data is exported. I am going to click on new graphs. Making column scattered plot, so I will select columns. After that I will click on individual values. Here is available different types of scattered plot, but I will select first one, which is called scattered plot. In below, guys, here you can see that I have different options. We can select according to our requirements. If you want to show your data no lines or error bars, we can select this one. If you want to show median, we can select median. I want to show mean and standard deviation, so I will select mean and standard deviation. After that I will click on OK. It's very bad. After that I need to set some setting of graphs. First of all, I will set graph name like column scatter plot. After that, X title name, it's replicates, so I will put replicate. After that I will set Y title, its response. Okay, after that I will change color. I will click on that option and click on colors. Wow, its color is changed, but I don't like that color. I want to change another color. First of all, I will change size of circles. I will double click on circle, mean dots. Here that point is very important. Here we can change color like orange color. No, red color. After that I can change shape. I will select this one, and size, we can change size like 6, 7, and but I want 4. Click on apply and click on OK. In the same way I will change for second replicate. Double click on dots. I will select color according to our requirements like blue according to your opinion, and shape I will select this one, and size 4. Click on apply and click on OK. Wow, it's very better. After that I will change frame of graph. Double click on axis, y axis. Guys, you can see that here is the option frame and origin. Y axis, left y axis, x axis, right y axis, but I want to change frame and origin. So after that, frame style, I will go frame style. Here is available different styles, but I will select plain style like plain with ticks, offset y and x axis, but I want plain frame. Click on apply and click on OK. It's very better. After that I will change size of that ticks. It's very large. First of all, I will change y-axis ticks, tick length, select very short, click on apply and click on OK. In the same way I will change x-axis ticks. Click on x-axis, tick length very short, click on apply and click on OK. Wow, that midpoint represents mean and upper line represents standard deviation plus standard deviation, and lower line represents minus standard deviation. In the same way for second replicates, middle line represents mean, its plus standard deviation and its minus standard deviation. Here you can see that scatterness of each replicate for replicate 1 and for replicate 2. It's amazing. Our graph is ready. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you for watching my video.